Hello and Assalamu alaikum, my YouTube family. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I really hope and pray that you are all in best of your health while watching this video. I have been making videos related to home decor and you have been appreciating my work. Your love and support really means a lot. If you are new to the channel, please do subscribe to it so that you can get the notifications for upcoming videos. Do let me know in the comment section what type of videos related to home decor you want to watch, or what are your ideas and suggestions. Please do share with me. In today's video, we'll see some amazing designs for backsplash of your kitchen. It is a great way to add style, personality and functionality to the space. Here are some popular backsplash ideas to consider. Classic and timeless subway tiles are popular choice. They come in various materials such as ceramics, glass or even metal. You can arrange them in traditional brick pattern or get creative with herringbone or diagonal layout. Whereas mosaic tile offer a wide range of design possibilities. You can choose from a variety of materials, colors and patterns to create an eye-catching backsplash. If you are looking for budget-friendly and easy to install options, consider peel and stick backsplash tiles. They also come in various styles, including subway tile, mosaic and more. Backsplash tiles can be in various designs like hexagon, rectangular shape and many more. To add sleek and sophisticated look, use glass tiles. They come in a variety of colors and finishes, and their reflective properties can make the space feel brighter and more open. When choosing a backsplash, consider your kitchen's overall design, color scheme, and personal style. I really hope that you have enjoyed today's video. Do let me know which was your favorite design and how did you choose your backsplash for the kitchen. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, happy decorating and take good care of yourself. Thanks for watching. Take care and goodbye.